astronauts on the space station suddenly realize that a strange cloud of fog is rapidly approaching the Earth. Before they can react, the huge cloud of fog passes through. The station's power systems are an instant failure. At the same time, a powerful electromagnetic wave erupts and hits the ground. Shortly after, a fishing boat spotted the ghost ship in the eye of the typhoon. The captain of the ship called out with a bullhorn for a while, but there was no response. Then all the sailors, armed to the teeth, went up to check it out. The ship was dead silent, but when they entered the engine room, they suddenly had a bad feeling. The electrical equipment did not appear to be faulty. They simply plugged in a relay that had been unplugged. Then it was easy to push the switch to restore the ship's electrical system. Suddenly there was a horrible hissing sound coming from somewhere on the ship. First they didn't care. But just as they were about to use a fishing boat to tow the boat, the accident came out of nowhere.